Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to Google Classroom app and you will enter. Here on this page of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.